Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which ports both devices have so you choose the right cable. This avoids adapters and signal loss. Once done, plug the monitor into a live outlet and switch it on to get a power LED. Next, match the monitor port to your computer output, HDMI or display port for best resolution, then lay the cable without kinks. You're already saving time by preparing power and port selection before connecting the signal cable. You now connect the video cable firmly into both devices, tightening screws on DVI/VGA connectors and seating HDMI or display port fully. Once connected, power both devices and use the monitor's input menu to pick the active port. This ensures the monitor reads the correct signal. Then, in your operating system, choose the monitor's native resolution and refresh rate so images are sharp. Make sure to adjust brightness and contrast early. Those settings affect perceived color and comfort. Finish by positioning the monitor at eye level and adjusting tilt for a comfortable view, because ergonomics reduce strain. Next, arrange display mode. Extend, duplicate, or set as primary, and tweak scaling so text and icons are readable. If you see no signal, don't panic. Recheck the cable and input setting, reseat the GPU or adapter, and try another cable or port to isolate the fault. If flicker appears, update graphics drivers and test at a lower.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.